Hey, Dana with Breslow Outdoors. I'm super excited to tell you about this project. Follow me. There it is. Extremely proud about this project. What you'll notice is this is a custom architecturally enhanced trim package. We just don't have to put a modern system. We can make it look however we want. So what we did here is we worked with Eastern Outdoors. We built a fireplace, a wood box, a kitchen, a custom flue, internal shades mounted in here so that this whole thing is wrapped in AZEK to give it whatever look we want. Check this out. I'm going to demonstrate me opening the louvers and closing the shades. Is that not cool? Check it out. Rain, rain, go away. Sun, no problem. Sun setting over there. It's not coming in anymore. The only sun we're getting is from the roof. Now, I'm gonna do the reverse. I'm gonna go ahead and open the shades and close the roof. Right? Open the shades and open the roof, which you'll be able to see how much sun you can truly get in here. Look at that, full sunroom.